Do you consider yourself an influencer? The definition is a bit blurry, so we could say we're all influencers one way or another. If you're looking for a way to turn your social media followers into income, you're in for a treat. Pawns.app offers you an exciting way to earn money with minimal effort. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out how it works. Trust me, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Hi, I'm Jason, and today I'll tell you how the Pawns.app Influencer Program works and how you can use it to make some sweet cash. Let's start with the basics. What is an influencer program? Well, it's a great way for people like you to make money by simply promoting a product or a service you like. There's one simple difference that makes Pawns.app the best thing ever to promote. It's a money-making app, and you'd have to be crazy to say no to that. With Pawns.app, you don't have to be a sales master or a smooth talker. The app is a real game changer that speaks for itself. It offers 3 effortless ways of making money for people. Who in their right mind turns down easy money? To make it even better, it's available everywhere, so the whole world is your audience. Americas, Europe, Africa, Asia, anyone with a smartphone and internet access can join. So let's recap. It's a money-making app. It's available worldwide. It's got several ways to make money with minimal effort. Sounds too good to be true. We're not done yet. So, how do you become a Pawns.app influencer? And what's in it for you? That's super easy. All you need to do is visit our website and sign up. We provide you with a briefing document and a media kit to help you create engaging content for your audience. It's like your own creative assistant. All you need to do is put it together, share on your social media, and watch the money coming in. You also get a clear overview of your earnings so you always know what's going on. Now it's time for the best part. How much can you earn with Pawns.app Influencer Program? Drum roll, please. Our influencers earn up to 20% from commissions. Yes, that's right, up to 20%. So far, we've paid out more than $950,000 for our existing influencer superstars. If that's not a cake worth sinking your teeth into, we don't know what is. Making money without breaking a sweat is a fantasy for many people. And Pawns.app is giving you a golden opportunity to make it a reality. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the Pawns.app affiliate program, you don't want to miss our previous video where we bust the 5 most common Pawns.app myths. As always, if you enjoyed this one, leave us a like, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you soon.